And we're live.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Dave and Nick show.
Very good. Good morning, Vietnam. What movie is that from?
Good morning, Vietnam.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like a war movie, right? Can't remember right now.
It's Robin Williams. I honestly can't remember. It's too damn early if you're asking me questions like this.
Yeah. But poor Rob. Too bad about Robin Williams for sure. That guy. Awesome guy.
So tomorrow we got job openings at 10 a.m. Ooh, the 10-year auction note or a 10-year note auction. Wednesday we got crude oil inventories, FOMC economic projections, FOMC statement, interest rate decision, and then the press conference. I don't know if I'm going to be trading on Wednesday. I might just take the day off.
Yeah, gonna be pretty volatile.
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday might not be very fun either. Actually, just leading up to all that news, right?
Yeah. So I think the goal for today is to be careful, keep your size small, and don't do anything excessively stupid. Oh, even Thursday we got jobless claims at 8:30, and at noon we have the 30-year bond auction. Ooh.
So NQ starting out green here.
Well, the market's open now, so
yeah. Oh,
let's look at this.
Whoa. YM's looking heavy.
Yeah, he has just
70 points already? 60 points? Hey, Terrence, good morning. Met Terrence in the stream last night. He's from Hawaii.
Ooh.
Hawaii.
That sounds lovely. I'd like to be there right now.
I think it's like 4:30 a.m. for him, I guess, right now.
It's early.
Yeah. Wow.
All right. ES is dropping. Gold is sitting on a line.
Just ripping higher.
What's ripping higher?
NQ.
Really?
Yeah, 791 to 850. So it's up 55 points out of the gate here.
Yowzers.
Yeah.
I like it.
If only I could take a trade right now against the rules, though. Actually, I don't really want to take this anyways.
No. Market's been open for less than a minute, or just over a minute now. Yeah, no, I'm not taking anything.
And it's already pulled back 25 points.
Well, there you go.
Hey, Terrence, this is Nick. He's a Mustang trader. I think I was mentioning him last night.
I was the one busting his chops about being up trading.
I was showing off behind the pod and also your channel at the end of the stream there. And Zach
behind the charts.
Behind the charts pod, yeah. Sorry, not behind the pod.
I gotcha. Good morning, Terrence. How are things in Hawaii?
He said there was a volcano going off or something yesterday.
Nice.
There we go. NQ's all the way back up there at 850s.
Oof.
What's going on? It must be NVIDIA must be ripping. NVIDIA, AMD up, Apple up. AMD and NVIDIA are both up 1.5%, 1.6% right now.
Oh, shit. I'm not sure what happened, but my personal account's pretty happy about it.
Yeah, that's always good.
Oh, it's those the options that I have just decreased in value. So my buyback cost just dropped by 35 cents.
Nice. You know how you got those like protective films on the front of your phone screens?
Mm-hmm.
I went to pick my phone up today, and there's a little. It's been kind of cracked for a little bit, and a little shard cut me. They cut my fingertip.
You need to get that fixed when your
Yeah,
phone is actually causing physical harm,
yeah,
other than fucking with your eyesight and
yeah. Right.
causing your attention deficit disorder to go on a rampage.
Terrence said a little chilly this morning, but comfortable.
Yeah, come to Detroit.
That's my coffee, by the way.
Coffee's ready. I'll be back.
Terrence, we don't take any trades for the first 15 minutes of market open, just by a rule that we go by. Hey, Darren. Good morning. How are you? Good to see you. Yeah, we just like to let the price action shake out, especially these early candles. Right? It's pretty much gambling for the most part if you take a trade before the first 15.
Oh yeah, you'd never take a trade before that opening range is set. And by never, I mean not unless you really, really want to.
On a rare occasion, right?
Yeah, it happens once in a great while. I'll take a trade before opening range is set.
Although I do take that midnight open strategy. I got to get over to MES here on this chart, though. I don't really want to be watching NQ because then I'm going to be tempted to trade it.
Yeah, I'm looking at gold because I'm trading personal accounts again today. So slowly closing out my what was that?
I said I got to wake up.
Yeah, please do. Yeah, I'm slowly closing out my my prop account. So
Oh yeah, you're just going to strictly turn into.
yeah, I'm just the way things are going with the prop space right now. I've got too much invested in prop firms, so I'm actually taking max payouts on everything possible and just putting them into personal accounts and trading those.
Nice.
Started with that Project X rug pull. Well, actually, it started before that when some of the prop firms were saying that they wouldn't allow copy trading anymore from third-party copiers and miscellaneous other nonsense.
Yeah, they're playing games.
I get it. They're in the business, in that business to make money. So
I gotta make sure I got the right account up here. That's fine. I'm probably gonna take my first trade in eval account. I ended up. What did I make yesterday? I ended up making 427 yesterday.
nice. That's great for a Sunday night trading micros.
Yeah. Most of it was all in one trade off of. What was that trade? I think it was an NQ
Good morning, Darren. Good morning, Aldo.
Oh, Aldo's here. Good morning.
Who is this Aldo?
Aldo, I think he joined our Discord yesterday too.
Nice.
Aldo's been around for I think, a week or two now, anyways.
I am so bad at the streaming stuff. I need to pay a little bit more attention. All right, gold's looking a little bit heavy.
So the rest of my Lucid accounts got switched over to Trade of 8. So they're
About
all
time.
Yeah. All right, 5-6 more minutes till the range is set. We've been printing some buy balls there on the book. So we got 68.83, 653 contracts, 49 contracts at 68.80, and then
Okay.
52 contracts at 68.79.
68.90's got 170. You said 68.80?
Yeah, just the green buy balls.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You have it set at 50 contracts?
Yeah, I think
for a minimum.
No, I think we did for ES was 40, but NQ was
No,
50.
NQ was 40, ES was 50.
Okay, weird because it's showing. Well, this one shows 49. Maybe it was close enough that it did it. So.
I actually have my yeah, I just pulled it up. ES was 50. NQ is 49. Got
Nice.
gold set to 99.
Zach Boyage is short right now.
I mean, I don't blame him for being short right now, but I'm still not getting into a trade until this opening range is set.
Yeah. He's also on NQ though. Because NQ popped up so strong there and then basically reversed and is now below the midnight open price.
I've got my my 3 VWAP lines set for yesterday's open, today's New York open, and midnight price. And gold is below everything and looking like it's just going to keep moving down right now.
iPhone gave us an update overnight.
Is that to make sure that everything ends up failing? Yeah, well, it ends up failing on you before your warranty is, or after your warranty ends.
Whoa, did you see that bounce there? That was pretty savage. 68,
bounce on ES
up to 77, 5.5 instant bounce.
Yeah, I'm not looking at ES right now.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're looking at gold.
I'm looking at gold. I'm trading personal accounts today, so
Gold's probably. Oh, I'm surprised to see gold looking like it wants to go lower. It's copying the indices. That was previous day high, which actually, let's see. No, that was previous day VWAP. It bounced off of Friday's VWAP, 68.72. And we just printed a new buy ball, 92 contracts at 68.76.
Oof.
One minute till the range is set here. We do have quite the range today. How many points is that? About 13.75 points. 14 points in range.
Got 13 points on gold for a range, which I'm all right with. Everything's looking like it's trending down, so I'll take it.
Yeah. See how this candle reacts to this New York VWAP here on the ES. Is that yours or was that mine?
I'm sorry, what was that?
I just heard stop filled.
Wasn't on me.
What the heck was that?
I don't think I have any open orders. But now I'm nervous. Let me double check.
Yeah, me too. That was so weird.
No, I got nothing.
I better check my accounts here.
Are you sure you're not just hallucinating a little bit from trading so much?
Somehow I have an order that I'm in on NQ. What the heck?
Was it left over from last night, maybe?
Maybe, because yeah, I'm down 250.
Okay, so if you had an order in last night, closed it manually, but left your stop order in, that may have been what just went. Was it a short or a long order?
What the heck here? Let's see here. Is this even in the right contract here?
Get out of that.
What am I in
quickly?
Here? Oh yeah, I'm in gold. It's in a gold trade. Holy smokes, man. Yeah, I'm pretty screwed here. Down 780 in this.
You in a gold long or short?
Short at the bottom there.
Oh.
And it's like 12 contracts.
Were you trading 12 contracts at any point last night?
I was, yeah.
That's what you did then. You left your stop sitting on the chart.
Oh my god.
And didn't cancel all. This is not in a funded account, is it?
No, it's in my Take Profit Trader 150K evaluation account.
Oh, you went and got the big one.
Yeah. Damn.
Well, it looks like gold's pulling back down a little bit now, so.
Yeah, it's still down 600 though. Well, might as well bring this over here for now.
Did you get filled at 42.23?
Yeah.
42.24, somewhere around there?
Yeah. Exactly.
Hold on.
42.25. Damn it, man.
Well, hold on here.
That sucks. Hopefully gold goes lower here quickly for me. That's basically I'm down exactly what I made yesterday right now if I just close it. Might get lucky though. It's gonna.
Looks like gold's printing down right now, so
yeah. If I can just get out, that would be nice. Damn it, man. Good thing that happened while I was here at least.
Yeah. You wake up with a blown 150K account, and that's never fun.
Bouncing a bit here again. Not liking it. Hmm. Oh my God.
Overall trend from open is still down. It's below the 65, the 21, and the 9. It's sitting below all the VWAP, so it is lined up for shorts. You have the worst possible price for that.
Yeah.
But it is still lined up for shorts. I don't know how much drawdown you have on those accounts, but
It's like brand new, but I'm just giving away my profits right now. I got 4K drawdown in this. Wow. Down
4K
8
draw.
now.
You got 4K and drawdown on that, and you're down $700. You're coming up on that 25% mark.
Man.
See if gold prints off this 9 EMA or bounces off the 9 EMA. Sorry.
Well, that's unfortunate.
You know what? It's not the end of the world. Apparently, you can claw back a prop account from $20 worth of drawdown to up to 2,000. So
yeah. Come on, gold. Do me a favor. Head back to the lows here. I'll give it a little opium. What the heck, man?
There are orders on gold below. And they're starting to come on up above as well.
Come on, gold. Pull down here. That's too bad.
As long as it stays below 42.3650, I'm looking at shorts. If this candle closes red, I'm actually going to put a short in on gold.
I almost feel like I should add to this, but it's not very smart either. So
Don't add to a losing trade. You know better than that.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just going to be your voice of reason. Tell me to shut up if you need to.
Yeah, it's expressing my feelings, but not something I would commit to do.
Yeah, don't add into a loser. Just for your own safety. All right, just bounced off midnight VWAP and is coming back down for you. Just needs to stay below that 42.32. and continue this trend. Oh, I'm nervous for you, Dave.
I know, this sucks. Almost should have just closed it when it was at 400 there. It would have been break even from yesterday. Let's see here. Hopefully.
What's the fun of that?
Stop going green. Just go red.
I want a lot of red right now.
Yes, please.
I want a lot of red on the gold chart and a lot of green in my account. Gold does have 120 orders at 42.29 right now.
Darren's in a small scalp long, just back to the New York VWAP, hopefully on ES.
All right.
Nice, Darren.
It does look like that resistance level is going to be at 42.32.90 on gold. There's actually 120 sell orders there.
Ooh, I don't like that.
Yeah, I'm not. See if it bounces off that. Come on. Turn around.
Just praying at this point. Down 900 now in this. I'm actually only down 500 on the day because I had that 420 from yesterday, but
Gotcha.
that's why I was saying if I just closed it at 420, I'd be break even from like Sunday's trade. But okay, we rejected a bit there off the 33s.
They said that 42.32.90 was the level that the orders were sitting at, but now we got
nice trade, Darren.
Still have that 119 orders at 42.29.60.
Go, come on. Just do what gold likes to do and just blast down right now.
So I'm gonna gold short with you right now.
Nice.
3 contract.
Not 12?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in like a 30-second trade yesterday. I went long 12 contracts and then ended up, oh my God, man. Holy smokes.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. What the hell? Fuck. Was that a stop run, please? Oh my God. I mean, what else do I do? I gotta cut it, I guess. I don't know. Holy shit, man. The hell was that candle?
Have no idea what the hell happened there.
Stop run, please. Was that a stop run, please? Now you're gonna make a new low? That was crazy.
Wow.
Come on, yeah, go to the lows now.
There we go.
If that was a stop run, then come on. No, don't go green. Jesus. Oh yeah, come on, guys. Come on. Fix this mistake for me. Trading gods.
Yeah, right. Do we have to like do a dance or sacrifice?
That had to be a stop run. If like considering we're all the way back to that price, right?
Yeah.
Come on, guys. You can do it. You wicked it up all the way to 41, back down to 30. I just got to make a new low here. Oh, geez. Come on, yes, go. Here we go.
Yes.
Yes, go. Okay, I'm gonna close it now. I don't care.
Good deal.
I'm back to. I made another $40 on that. Wow, guys, woo, that was scary.
Oh, that was frightening, wasn't it?
Oh my god, it was like down 1,600 on that bounce. First chance I get to get out though. I need to take a break for a minute here.
Yeah, I would go get yourself a cup of coffee and empty out your underwear because
I feel so
I know
lucky
they're
right now.
full right now.
And good thing it was in a 150K account because that would have blown.
Oh yeah, you would have lost that account in what 30
50K
seconds
for sure.
I'm still in this gold short now with 6 contracts, so
Nice. Yeah, that would have blown a freaking 50K account for sure on that pop.
yeah.
Like especially with 12. I mean, I would have never had 12 contracts on a 50K account anyways, but
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. There you go,
Oh
Nick.
shit. Yes.
Oh, come on, let's
Keep
go.
going.
Let's go. Everyone's like in the chats all stressed out for me too. Like, oh my god. Yeah. Trading gods were on my side this morning, it looks like.
Yeah.
Accidental short, like leftover contract. Oh my god. I gotta really remember to hit those cancel all.
Yes. Double check all of your accounts, yada yada yada. I don't need to say anything more than that.
Oh,
is this seriously going to keep going lower?
It looks like it. Man, I should have held that. I would have been rich right now.
All right. I'm up $600 so far.
There you go, Nick.
I'll take it. Moving my stop loss to 400 in profit. So, and I just took 400 in profit. So
nice. Good stuff.
Yeah. Wow. So, did you check your blood pressure? Are you okay?
You know, to be honest, that wasn't that. My heart wasn't going that fast because it is a eval, but like it would have just put me back to like basically starting that eval over from scratch.
Yeah, but who wants to do that?
Yeah, definitely not.
It is a lot different when you're trading evals rather than a personal account or a funded account.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna not look at gold here for a minute now.
Yeah, I wouldn't if I were you either.
I'm gonna get enticed into some sort of a short here. Yeah, I'm just gonna go walk around the room for a minute. I'll be right back.
Yeah, go check on your dog. Relax. And that's a lesson for everyone in the stream. Always hit the cancel all button. Don't fall asleep while you're trading. Man, I'm still nervous for him at this point. Gold is still dropping. Wow, he's right. He should have stayed in that trade. He could have just passed his eval. Darren took 5 points, 5.5 points on ES. That's nice. I can't get into another gold trade this far down.
I'm back.
Feeling a little better there, Dave?
Yeah.
Got a little bit of a heart stroke.
I'm glad that wicked the way it did, because that definitely was a stop run, right?
Yeah.
Gold can move like a maniac like that sometimes.
Yeah, but you have to have the intestinal fortitude to stay in the trade longer. I generally don't. I don't like risking that much money at any given time.
No.
I'd rather take small wins and be really conservative.
Yeah, like cut it at a small loss too, right? And then just take another trade.
Yeah, I don't risk more than $200 per account at a time on anything less than a 50K account.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't see a point in it. If you're risking more than 1%, you're ruining a really good thing. Is gold gonna keep going down? What's going on here? Was there something weird happen?
Well, maybe they're expecting that rate cut again. I don't know if that would be bearish for gold. Because
it would be. A rate cut would be bearish for gold. Yeah. Sorry, if I would have thought about that for 5 minutes, I'd have been on it. But
because I did see some sort of post this morning about the S&P 500 is pricing in the rate like up because of the potential rate drop. SNB policy rate to be
a lot of that pricing is already baked in.
Yeah.
Well, Dave, don't get my heart rate up like that again.
Yeah.
I'm an old man. I drop dead on the stream with you.
Right.
I don't want to pull a Anthony Crudelli and just have a heart stroke at the desk.
Right.
Have you ever seen his stuff?
No, I don't think I have.
I think you would like it. Crudelli is he's a good one to watch.
What is he? Is he?
He's a trader, yeah.
And he literally died at the desk.
No, he didn't die. He had a heart attack.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was like, damn. That's rough.
No, he did not die at the desk. He had a heart attack while trading.
Okay, well, that's not good either.
I mean, it's not good. I don't wish that on anyone.
No, definitely.
What chart you have pulled up now? ES?
Yeah, I'm looking at ES here. I haven't. I should probably mark out the range here. I thought I marked out. It must have been on NQ. I marked out the range there. NQ.
See, Darren does things. He's saying the same thing. He's conservative trading. 25K instance. Yeah, $800 in 5 weeks on a 25K. That's great.
Yeah, that's really good. Yeah.
You're gonna end up taking payouts doing it that way rather than just blowing accounts and fiddle farting around. This channel is becoming very interesting. You know, Dave, are you naked and dancing around now or something? What kind of interesting are we talking about?
Just probably the wild accidental gold trade. What the heck?
I'm just kidding.
worked out at least in the end. But
so correct me if I'm wrong here, but do we have a fair value gap on gold between 42.23 and 42.17?
Exactly. Yeah.
Is that correct? Okay.
Yes.
I'm trying to learn how to recognize those fair value gaps.
Yeah. Look at that price now, hey man.
Oof.
Should have held that. I would have been like probably up $2,000 by now.
Yeah, I mean,
yeah. But hindsight, as soon as I got the opportunity to get out, I'm like, no, I'm out.
No, you did the right thing. You're better safe than sorry in that situation. You were down how much? 1,200?
1,600, I think, at the highest.
1,600
on the bounce. I think I saw 1,600.
Don't sweat that. You're gonna have another trade here shortly.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting a little pullback now on gold, so get ready to take another 12 micro short.
ES is just broke out of the opening range low. We got value area just below that. Actually, we got 68, 66. A little bit lower than that.
All right.
So we got a little bit of space to value area high. Previous 68.80. This technically could be considered the second break in the opening range here.
On ES?
Yeah. Because we did wick out of it earlier at the 645 candle.
Oh, yeah. I see it now. But 645 dropped it down to, oh no, it's if it pushes down any further, then you will have your break. It's got to get down between below 69.25. Am I looking at that right?
So I have the opening range at 68.72, bottom of the opening range.
Oh, I have my candles set up differently than you. Hold on, let me switch them.
Yeah. I went to the 1 minute to confirm that. So.
Yeah, you can set your candles on open or close.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that is, wow.
Oh, I missed that. Hey, Darren. All right. Have a good one. Darren was in for a quick trade. Now he's on. He's always got stuff to do.
He just took 5 points on a mini on ES, so, or 5.5 points on a mini on ES. So he's good for the day.
Yeah. And it is like he's in UK, so it's kind of like midday for him. So he's always got lots of stuff to do, I bet.
Yeah. That's what he gets for living in the UK.
Yeah. So I don't know if I ever told you before, but I get vertigo sometimes.
Is that some new designer drug? What's going on?
Yeah.
You're getting vertigo?
Yeah.
Anything causing it, or?
BPPV, it's called, and it's basically
Say that
like
again?
BPPV.
Okay.
And it's basically you have these like little crystals in your ear, and then occasionally some of those crystals get dislodged, and then they mess with your balance in your ear. So yesterday, when I was getting up in the morning, I turned my head to grab my phone to the right, and it's my right ear that has the problem. And then, I just started spinning like crazy, like your eyes twitch. It's called nystagmus, something like that. Anyways, but that little hair sensor inside your inner ear gets affected by that little crystal touching it, and then your eyes twitch to the side, back down.
Oh,
And it's so I was like got super sweaty and felt like throwing up. And then there's a maneuver called the Epley maneuver that you got to do. So you basically like tilt your head to the right and lay down off the bed with your head off the edge of the bed, and then you turn after 30 seconds, or when the eye movement stops, you turn your head to the left side, and then you roll onto your left shoulder facing down, like all in 30-second intervals or so. And it kind of like helps get that crystal back into the place where it's supposed to be. But
interesting.
I think about 5 or 6 years ago, that happened to me.
So that you think maybe it was all those years of you getting punched and kicked in the head?
Yeah,
I mean, that might have been
this is one of those crystals out.
just dislodging things in your inner ear.
Look at that. We touched value area high on ES and then bounced pretty good there. Wonder if this is going to be a reversal now.
Looks like gold's still going lower here.
Of course.
I think man, I am so bad at knowing where fair value gaps are.
Yeah. You got another
20,
tiny one there that formed on 2 candles before this one.
Like 42.17, 15.
Yeah, down to
42.14, 15.
Yeah.
Wait. All right, so I'm getting better at it.
There's an indicator you could add to your trading view chart. It's
I'm not putting more indicators on my chart.
Yeah.
If I can't do it in my head,
no doubt. But yeah, you're catching on. So you just got to wait for those 3 candles to close, right? And then whatever the little gap is in between is what's left as a sort of low volume area, which the price likes to
the wick down
balance.
off of
Yeah. Yeah, that opening range, a second break there is looking pretty good. We did find some support at value area high on the ES there. So do you find with since you're trading gold, is it like a better price because it's in your because it's in a personal account, you can get more contracts kind of idea?
No, it's the reason I won't trade it in a prop account, but I will in a personal account is because of the movement.
Mm-hmm.
If you put on 1 mini in gold prop account and that price jumps, just like it did this morning.
Yeah.
You're gonna blow out your prop accounts.
Okay. But I'm just wondering why you don't trade ES or NQ in your cash account.
Oh, I do.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yeah.
It just so happens you're watching gold today, I guess.
Yep. Today is a gold day.
Gotcha. No News Monday.
It's a no news
these
Monday.
Are really good bullish days.
Yeah, normally, but I'm not sure what the heck is going on right now.
So we held the value area high pretty nice on the ES there. And we're coming right up to the previous day's New York VWAP, which is right at 68.72. I'll pop that guy on here just so we have it. Well, this is actually not previous day. This is 2 days ago. Weird, my chart never updated.
Yeah, looking at ES, I'd be looking for a price around 68.76 for a short.
Yeah, that's right at the New York. Have we been printing? We did a couple gaps up at 68.82 to 86 area. But that's pretty far. If we break value area high with a little bit of momentum, and it looks like our point of control is actually at 85.25 here. So if we can get a nice closure below the point of control, I'll definitely be looking at shorts here. But I mean, we've been pretty bullish here for a while, so it's kind of, I feel like there's a good chance we're gonna like hold a low somewhere in here and go higher, but I'm gonna need to see us get above the New York VWAP before I'm gonna be taking any longs.
Yeah, I would be waiting for a crossover of the New York and the midnight before I took a long. I wouldn't even, right now, I don't even want to take a long if it crosses over New York, unless it retests it a couple of times. I'm not interested.
We should try
I don't
putting
need it.
an anchored view up on the midnight price. And I'll make it pink. Pink and dotted.
Yeah, the way that I'm thinking about this, I don't need to take a trade every day.
Yeah.
If nothing shows up that I'm really happy about, I'm just not going to.
So is your midnight open you up sort of at 68.80, or is that?
They switch to their chart.
Yes.
68.80.50.
Okay, so I just wanted to confirm that. So interesting is the start of day view up and the midnight view up crossed.
They did, but that was back at 10:05.
Yeah. Totally. Exactly. Yep. But you're waiting for the New York to cross with the midnight, right?
Yesterday's price and midnight price crossing, I mean, it means something, but not that much. If it crosses, if the New York and the midnight or previous day crosses, there's usually going to be a big move in that direction. I mean, looking at it on this chart over the past, I think I look back like 4 or 5 months. Like 19 out of every 20 times it happened, direction changed in a pretty big way. So
yeah,
I'm willing to take that trade, put in a decent stop loss, and let it play out for the day.
I like that, Czar. No news is always good news in my books.
Czar is correct.
Sorry, what's that?
Is that what are we playing? Episodes of I Love Lucy over here with the laugh track?
Yeah.
Where'd you say? Did you say NQ's point of control was down at 60? Or I'm sorry, 25,705.
I got 25,575 for NQ.
Oh, okay.
But I don't think I mentioned that when I was talking about the POC at on ES 68.65, which is just below value area high. So I'm surprised I still haven't got that Blue Guardian account from Blue Guardian here, but let's log in today. Maybe Maybe it'll be there now.
You need to send him a message. So, put a horse head in somebody's bed. Send him a message.
Yeah.
Send him a fish.
There's an opportunity to get in on a free account on Zach's channel right now.
Arbucci or Boyajian?
Arbucci, yeah, the proper match Discord channel. Okay, ES is taking value area high and trying to get past the point of control here. So shorts are looking definitely even a little bit better right now. So it's a new candle. Let's see though. Kind of liking the short here. I'm gonna try one here
on ES or NQ.
On ES, yeah. I'll be pretty aggressive here if we start getting a little bit of a move. I'm up. Uh-oh. I was about to put my stop in there. Let's see if we can make this low here. Okay. There we go. There we go. Nice. Okay, stopped in profit 2 points here on 5 contracts. Going to trail it a little bit more down. Yeah, I'm out $60. Nice. Quick $60 winner on that breakdown.
I'm in an NQ short right now at 25,695.75.
Nice.
And I just pulled my stop loss into profit of $11 in profit. So, but I think I'm going to be starting to trail this a little bit more.
Ooh, that was a nice candle to get in on. Could have held it a little longer.
What was that?
It could have held that a little longer. Could have held it a little longer, but I'm not going to complain. $60 in what was it? 32 seconds. Yeah, 32
you make
seconds.
$60 in 20 seconds. You don't complain about it. You just smile and have a nice day.
Yeah. Yeah. I was sitting here waiting for that value area high and that point of control to break, and sure enough, it did. I mean, there's a good chance we're going to head to value area low now, which is 68.52. So we could kind of think about looking for some bounces here. We did print a bearish fair value gap on this 3-minute chart. Let's see what happens here when we get back up to the POC. Kind of reject off there again. But yeah, that's quite the wick now on the 5-minute anyways. So
NQ's got a big old wick on it as well.
Yeah, it's going to bounce off the NQ bounced off the Thursday VWAP there.
You put your VWAPs all the way back to Thursday?
I'll keep two previous day VWAPs always. So I'll keep Friday and Thursday. So, and then every day I just change the colors. My third one to my other ones, right? So.
Yeah, NQ's got orders on 50 points down right now. So there's that.
Yeah, this is that account that I almost lost there. I was $20 away from losing it, and now I'm up 50,500 on it almost.
You're up 50,000?
No. I'm up 500 on the 50,000.
Oh, account. On a 50,000.
Yeah.
Sorry, so I got really excited for you there for a second.
That's always nice to get it from almost a loss to having max drawdown available. Max drawdown, is it? Yeah, it's 2,000 on a 50K, right?
Maybe. Some of them are 2,500. Some of them are 1,500. Some of them are 2K.
Maybe it is 2,500 is the max drawdown, I think.
Need NQ to make up its mind where it wants to go here.
Yeah. Did print a bearish fair value gap on the 5-minute, although it's not because this candle hasn't closed yet. But you got sort of one forming between 704 and 720. And initial bounce just set. So we can set our eye below here.
Now, if I had been paying attention to NQ instead of ES and gold, at 10:10 there was a crossover of the New York, the midnight, and not the previous day, the New York and the midnight.
Yeah, I see that.
And price dropped from at that point.
Yeah, I see that. 732
wow.
down to 657. Yeah.
650. Yeah, 657. Sorry.
See that.
Wow.
Yeah, I gotta start watching for those VWAP crossovers, eh?
I'm telling you, they work.
Yeah, I only have the started day VWAP, but that crossed over basically at the same time there. At the crossover was at 10:10. The start of day in the New York. So, and yeah, nice heavy sell off. And it was actually right at the previous day high where that candle closed, and it was a crossover candle.
Gotcha.
I found it at support and then ended up breaking through it after that. So, yeah, starting to bounce back up here to value area high and broke POC. Czar said finally NQ broke the range. That was at 7:25, so 7 minutes ago. Oh, yeah. And it broke it with a pretty strong candle, too. Okay? That was that push down, the 1020 candle.
Yeah, it's looking like there's nothing good happening in ES. It's just down, down, down. Oof.
Yeah, ES and Y sort of going sideways. We did print that bearish candle on, or the bearish fair value gap. We're in the middle of it right now on NQ.
I am not sure, but I think we're in the middle of a bearish fair value gap on gold as well. I think. Don't quote me on it. You're the expert on that. I am.
Yes, we are.
Are we?
Yeah, but we did leave a couple bullish ones below that. So might want to see it, break those fair value gaps.
Okay. Well, I wouldn't be taking a gold short right now with NQ and ES dropping the way that they are.
Yeah.
And this little pullback on it. It just doesn't make any sense to me. Normally, gold's going to go in the opposite direction from people hedging. So, again, I don't mind if I don't take another trade today.
If you can see my chart there, you got those two
pull up here.
ones. And then just below it, those little green ones are from the push up. Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't make those out. But
those are just small ones, but they're there. So if we're going to see a more of a bullish move, like we kind of want a closure up above, 42.23 ish or 42.24 area, but wouldn't be out of the woods at that point yet because there's still that other gap above it. So
You won't really be out of the woods until 32, 33.
yeah.
And actually,
You got a lot of stuff above.
yeah, I'd be looking at 42, 43 before I'd be really just comfortable with letting that trade sit overnight. Is that breaking into your bullish fair value gap there?
It's touching it, yes. Yeah, just kind of below that fair value gap now. So if you get a closure anywhere down here, or even down below 42.14, that would be pretty decent bearish signal on gold. Could always stick a handoff VWAP on that, or sorry, anchored VWAP on low a day. We're kind of right at the low a day anchored VWAP right now too, which lines up with that bullish fair value gap. So kind of a key area, I'd say.
Yeah, I'm feeling like a wimp right now. I'm not getting into anything.
Yeah, nothing's very super clear at the moment. Yes, kind of playing with that IB. Why is it? I just don't understand why my chart doesn't have any of my levels on here. This current chart. Maybe I gotta just refresh this. There we go.
You know what? I'm gonna go grab some coffee, take a little break. This is not in an area that I want to be playing in right now.
Yeah.
On gold. Let me just pull up NQ real quick. When did the December contracts end? 14th?
Yeah, I'm not sure on that. That's so weird. Yes.
All right. I'll be back. I'm gonna go grab some more coffee.
Sounds good. That's weird. My levels are moving around here. They're not correct on this one, but they're correct on the other one. Why is it doing that? It shouldn't be there. I'm gonna close this chart. And I'm going to refresh this one here. Having multiple trading view charts is kind of messing up my. Okay, so actually that was wrong. Interesting. So those levels that I was looking at weren't even the right levels, guys. I guess you got a little lucky on that. It's so weird. Previous day high 905. 68.88 value area high. I'm gonna have to be a little more careful with my ES charts here. 68.79. High be lows proper value area low 68.72. That was a those were probably from Friday's VWAP or Friday's PLCs. Yeah, interesting. So definitely shorts are in play here. We got a 68.62 below with orders, and we got 68.60 below with orders. Just gonna double check, make sure my levels are all correct here. Yes. Okay, levels look correct. So let's. So let's open this. Duplicate.
What are you doing?
Yeah, my levels were off, hey? On my trading view chart.
Were they?
Yeah.
No.
They were still from like last Friday's levels or Thursday levels. I just because I cloned the chart, because I got my chart, which I watched 3 on the right, and then I cloned it and made it like my main screen, which is the one I'm trading on. And I guess it had it never updated the cloned page.
Oh.
So the levels I was looking at was from like the Thursday's levels. So
yeah. Very good. You get it fixed?
Yes.
So I'm in an NQ short right now
Okay, nice. Yeah.
at
We held that for your
25,
share value.
695.70.
Yeah, ES is looking pretty heavy at the moment too here.
Got 2 micros in on this, so it's on my take profit trader accounts.
Nice.
You gonna mess with me now? No, this one's just gonna test my patience a little bit. I'm gonna put my stop loss at like my chart go here. Put my stop loss up at 705.50. Right at the bottom of that 5-minute candle.
Gotcha.
Figure if it goes above that, I'm still up $50 on the day on these accounts. So
Just playing around at this level here doesn't really want to make much difference or much of a move here.
no, we're coming up on 11 o'clock, so volume's going to decrease now anyway. But I don't hate this short trade.
No, it's below the point of control. It's below all the VWAPs, so definitely
It's been
should
in
be
a
looking
trend
for.
all day.
Yeah.
I'm only down like $8 on this right now, so it's 2 micros. I'm risking $50. So hey, look at that. It's doing what I wanted to.
Yeah, just got to break that Thursday VWAP and the value area lows right there. So if it breaks value area low, you're going to be heading towards a previous day low. I don't think I ever turned on any music today, did I?
No, it's kind of nice. Yesterday, Em was saying that you can't play smooth jazz and talk about VWAP because you're going to get banned on YouTube.
Got bounce here. Got 1 minute left on this candle. 5-minute candle here. ES just erased a potential barrier. Just wasn't printed yet. NQ still got that printed one that's sort of at the POC. Between
back in a little
and 720.
Mm. See, this is where I need help being patient.
Yeah.
Just watching this play with my entry point, my entry price.
It's not being very nice.
No. It's just messing with me here. That's what I wanted. Keep going.
Oh, so they got 3 to 5 business days until I'm going to get that Blue Guardian account. So I think that was on Wednesday. So Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. So I should have it by Wednesday, hopefully. By then that's when I'll reach out to them if it's not there yet.
I'm moving my stop loss into profit by $15.
Nice. Okay.
25,689. So basically on this these take profit accounts for the day, I just locked in $100.
Nice.
115. If I'm doing the math right.
ES is just playing around here. NQ is definitely looking a little bit cleaner for the shorts right now. They're kind of printing different looking candles a bit. Coming down to value area low right now on NQ.
And start trailing this a little bit. Oh, yeah, perfect.
There you go. Nice little take at the value area low. See if they can hold that. That's 676.75.
Got my stop in at 685. See if this pushes down a little bit more, and then I'll just take profits and call it a day on these accounts.
Yeah.
Or get stopped out and stopped out. All right.
Bounced a little bit there, yeah. Holding that value area low.
I mean, it's 114.50 on 5 accounts.
Nice.
So figure $500 in 7 minutes. I'm okay with that for
Yeah.
I think this is going to keep pushing lower. Waiting to see how. Well,
Yeah, I'm looking at ES here. Like I was thinking about taking a short, but we only have like 27 seconds on this candle, so kind of should just be patient and see what happens here. We have orders at 68, 58, 50, or 68, 58 anyways. But we're just not really making any progress here. So
no, it's a little bit slower, but it's still moving down. I just took another short on NQ on my personal account, so average price is 70 or 674. Depending on what this candle does, I may just close it out quickly.
Yeah. Okay, good timing on my ES short here. We're pushing down. See if we can push right through those orders here.
I got my stop loss in profit, barely in profit.
I have
it's only
ready.
4 micros, so basically I got it just to cover my costing or my fees and commissions at the moment.
There we go.
But I just
there I'm out. I made like $30 there.
You're out. I just added 4 contracts to it.
Ooh, nice. See what you count that one was here.
Stop loss is at $40. I'm up 150 right now.
Yeah, I made 27 on that. That was my Lucid Direct account. That account's up $700 in that account now. Slow grinder.
I'll take my tiny little profits on this one and be very happy with it with this price action right now.
Yeah.
Hey, made $60. All right.
Nice. Cool. Base it, base it, base it. Oh my God, I have more viewers than X than you for the first time in ever history. That's so weird.
I really should start looking at that stuff.
Can you not see it? Like when you go to StreamYard and then you mouse over the eye where it says the viewers.
StreamYard.
So it says
I don't even
live.
know where that is.
Live beside live 129. It says there's a little eye and it says 17. Right by your picture. Like right above your head if you're looking at StreamYard. You're muted if you're talking.
Yeah, thanks. I didn't even know that was there. 4 on my X. I don't even think it's streaming to my my YouTube. Oh yeah, it is. There's no one on that.
Yeah. Zar just started averaging into a small long after MNQs swiped the low. Okay. I think that might be a reversal time, eh? ES kind of like held where I covered my that trade. It was right at the previous day low. got 1 minute until some sort of news. I just said it's at 8, so it's a New York Fed inflation expectations. It's kind of like an orange dot, so it's not very big news, but it is some news. And we're starting a new 1 hour candle here. Pretty
lower
quick.
impact.
Yeah.
All right.
Pretty heavy last 2 1 hour candles on ES. Just both of them are super bearish.
Pull up my ES here. Oh, wow. Yeah.
And we just took previous day low. Are they going to print another bearish? Interesting.
Wow.
Pretty strong closure on that 1 hour bearish on the previous 1 hour bearish candle too, like almost exactly at the low.
So you were talking about you use an indicator for fair value gaps.
Yeah.
Which one are you using?
It's FVG, IFVG, and it's by Nephew Sam is who made it. So if you search just FVG, then you'll see Nephew Sam on there. I don't think it would clutter your screen up too much. It just put those little, you can even make them more transparent too if you wanted.
Oh, yeah, that's not bad.
It just adds a little strip in there.
Man, ES is sinking like a stone.
NQ pretty bad too.
What was that?
NQ is definitely going lower too right now. I feel like I'm chasing at this point though if I try to take a short down here.
Yeah, I'm not taking anything at this point.
And I don't really see much orders below either on ES. Like, I mean, I guess there's 140 at 68.46 looking like 45.
NQ's got 290 down at 25,600. I'm not sure why gold is sinking right now.
YM's printing a pretty big low too here.
The end of the world, what's going on? Yeah, gold came back up, touched the New York VWAP, rejected off it, and is just sinking lower now.
Which YM? I wonder which like CME or is maybe CBOE or something. YM's under. Not sure because I can't get it on my book map right now.
All right, I am in another gold short 4 micros.
Nice.
I don't know about that. As soon as I went into it, it started printing a green candle. Yeah, I just pulled out of that. I can get back into it again if I need to.
Yeah.
So I lost $50.
Okay, well, yeah. Quick stop out. Better safe than sorry.
Wait till it gets back up to like 42.11, 42.12, somewhere around there. See if it starts going down again.
Mix anything together.
Was that one of your kids?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
You can hear that little voice.
Yeah.
Squeaker. Hey, look at that. Went up to that 42.12 and started coming back down.
All right.
I did not get into it, but I'm going to wait until this candle closes. So we got orders on gold at 42.08, 120 orders, 68 orders at 7, 258 orders at 42.05.50, 60.
The first one. Oh,
So I think I'm going to take a short now.
On the gold again?
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, small order, 4 micros. Again, I can either cut this quickly or add to it if it goes in my direction. So right now it's just playing around with my opening price or my entry price.
Yeah. How's ours trades doing right now?
He said he was going into longs, correct?
Yeah. Small long.
Small long on NQ, was that right?
Yeah.
NQ. Let's pull this up. Oof. I don't think it's going well for him.
Yeah, it depends on how small he started.
But Czar knows what he's doing. He'll
Oh yeah.
Hey, now it's going in my direction. And now it's not.
Yeah, ES bouncing up pretty good here. NQ's bouncing up here a bit too. YM also looking pretty green at the moment.
All right. Moving my stop into profit on my gold trade. Add another 4 contracts. Still in profit.
Nice.
And now I'm just going to let it go. I'm either going to make 40 bucks or more than that.
Yeah.
But if
Green is
ES and NQ and YM are going up, I'm expecting gold to be going down a little bit. So I'm just going to hold this until.
Yeah, they did. ES did reject off a bearish fair value gap there and previous day low. And NQ a little bit, YM a little bit also. But I mean, not compared to what, they're not printing a new low or anything. So
Looking at a profit target around 41.99, 4,200. All right, well, I made 60 bucks on that.
okay, nice.
Make sure all this is closed out so I don't have.
Czar said it's about 8 points below entry, very slow and choppy.
All right, that's. Czar, are you trading MES or ES? Or I'm sorry, NQ or MNQ?
I think he usually trades MNQ. I could be wrong.
All right, personal account, I'm up 1,400 for the day.
Oh, nice.
So that's
Real money.
yeah. It's cashola, buddy. So we have $1,400 for the day on a personal account. And then $114.50 across 5 accounts on take profit.
Very nice. Yeah.
Not a bad day. Not a bad day. Yeah, and ES and NQ, I can't justify getting into anything right now. I'd like to. Gold's initial balance low is 42.04, so we're too close to that right now. I'm not getting into another one on this either. He says as it starts to bounce up.
ES and NQ trying to push lower here a bit. But yeah, price has definitely slowed down quite a bit.
Yeah, volume's low right now.
Mm-hmm.
Consumer expected home price rise 3% in November, 3% in October, 3% in September, and 3% in August. Wow.
wonder if they're going to push the lows here now. Kind of holding sort of NQ hold that low there. Sort of made an equal low. ES. Similar.
Gold's just sitting here tickling the low a day. And bouncing up. Great.
Nat gas was king today on my books. Is it what Czar said?
I have never traded nat gas. I may try one day on a paper account.
Yeah. Test it out. Test out the waters.
Yeah, I don't like I have a good feeling for the movements in ES and NQ and gold. Nat gas, I haven't spent any time looking at those charts, so and gold's popping up now.
Yeah, NQ ES trying to look like they want to go lower here. We'll see. Again, they're trying to push the low NQ anyways. ES sort of bouncing around sort of at the lows.
Looks like it was. Did it reject off that fair value gap?
Yeah, it did. At 68.57.50. If you're talking about ES, NQ also 25.64.25.
Yeah, still can't justify getting into anything right now. So I'm gonna pull up nat gas.
Just check it out. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna trade it. I'm just gonna look at it here.
See what Czar's talking about. What's the jazz all about?
Let's see what contracts. January. Oh wow.
Ripping good or what?
The January contract. Yeah, it's down a lot. That's on the E-mini nat gas. February contracts are all down. Now here's a question for you. Can you
Yeah.
even trade nat gas on take profit, or
I think you can.
I don't
But
see why you couldn't, but
yeah.
I know on some of them, like my funded futures, you can't trade gold.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're kind of back in those fair value gaps on ES, anyways. See if they're going to reject this again.
Gold contracts just broke through New York VWAP, or I'm sorry, yeah, New York VWAP.
Right.
Now here's where I want to see that crossover of the midnight and the New York to take a long. See if the price of gold hits an all-time high at 44. Is it 44.20 was the all-time high?
Hmm.
Coming in, ES is bouncing up into a 15-minute fair value gap here. So, and there's 6 minutes left on this candle. Yeah, I thought that Zara was at MNQ always. Okay, we rejected a bit off that 15-minute fair value gap on ES here. We're heading below. Start printing, thinking about maybe taking a short here. Sort of target the previous low candle. Stop loss up there.
So for gold, we got a break of the New York VWAP. Still waiting for a retest.
Yeah.
Sitting at 42.2180 right now. 42.1950 is New York. If it retests it and bounce up, I'll start looking at longs. This is not a bad area for longs.
Just got another entry on Zach's Discord channel.
Very good. I just gold long.
You just took a gold long?
Gold long at 42.2140.
Nice.
We shall see. I'm gonna keep this stop loss really tight.
Yeah.
It's only 2 micros. I do have some orders sitting on just below my entry. 122 orders at 42.2070.
Right.
But it is going in my favor right now, so add another 2 to this, move my stop loss up.
So yes, bounce back up there, flirting with that 15-minute fair value gap here again. And we're down to 1 minute left in this 15-minute candle. So if they're going to invert it, this is going to be the time.
This is where it happens.
Yeah.
This is where the magic happens.
15-minute, right? So
I'm moving my stop loss up into profit at 12 bucks. This is a real small position, so oh hell yeah. All right.
So I just got wicked out on MNQ for 12 points. Going to wait again. Gotcha.
All right, just made 50 bucks on a gold trade.
Nice.
That was a nice in and out.
So we did invert that fair value gap there.
Hold on, let me put those
See if
fair
they're gonna
value
play
gaps on my
around
chart.
See if they're going to play around here and just reverse this whole 15-minute candle now, though, with this next 15. Never know. It's just could be in that chop range right now.
You looking at ES right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I put that fair value gap indicator on my chart for right now.
Nice. Yeah. So then you can get used to seeing them.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep popping it off and on. I actually want to be able to recognize them on my own without using that indicator. Did it just gap up? And gold just had a little gap up on the 5 minute or on the 1 minute.
Hey, Terrence is still here. Yeah, we
Terrence.
usually try to make those small W's for sure. Slow and steady grind is a safe way to do it for sure, right? Lock in those profits when you can.
Oh yeah,
Hey, Dad. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Stewart. Yeah, Terrence, I don't like risking a whole heck of a lot. Generally speaking, I don't risk more than $200 in a trade. Just got up. Are you feeling okay? Or did you have a late night? So yeah, $200 worth of risk and taking profit based on price action rather than setting a take profit. I'll move a stop loss up into profit, but I rarely put a take profit on my chart.
Yeah, those take profits can sort of get you out too early. I mean, the stops can too, but at least with a stop in place and profit, there's a good chance that maybe it doesn't come back and touch your stop, it continues on, and then you just keep moving your stop up, right? So
Yep. Yeah, you just manually trail your stop. I don't like an automatic trailing stop either, because sometimes I like to let that breathing room happen.
Yeah.
But it comes back to that. You can be a bull, you can be a bear, but don't be a pig. You're either going to make a little bit of money or you're going to make a little bit more money. Once you put that stop loss into a profitable area and it's covering your fees and commissions, you made a little bit of money. And if you're trading prop firms, you make a little bit of money across 25 accounts. You're doing well.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not, what's his name? Tom Hogard making $1 million in a day.
Yeah, but he also has the account size to do that too,
Yep.
right? So when you
Yeah, I'm
scale
not
up,
trading a
yeah.
I'm not trading a $15 million account, so.
Where you're willing to risk 100 grand or 200 grand instead of $200, right?
Yeah. And even if I was trading a $15 million account, how much money do you actually need to make in a day?
Yeah.
Is it worth the stress?
Oh, better get a refill while the coffee's still hot. If you guys are new to the stream, like Terrence, you're gonna get used to having the coffee pot beeping away on my end.
The issue with that is every time your coffee pot goes off, I think my pacemaker's battery is going dead. Terrence, are you trading prop firms? Or are you trading personal accounts?
I think he's yesterday he told me he was trading 2 eval accounts, but I'm not sure if he's trading something else today. Props, he's got 2. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, keep the size small, try to lock in those profits, and it's a slow grind for sure. As you start scaling up the accounts, you can start going with a little more size, risking a little bit more.
Then you can do what I do and just keep stacking account on top of account on top of account and stop worrying about what it is that you're making on each one.
Yeah.
Get a small profit on it, and you multiply that by 50, you're good. You make $100 a day on 50 accounts. If you can't live on $5,000 a day, you need to make better choices or reassess your living. What's that?
Or sell that boat.
Yeah. But that being said, every once in a while, doing that, you will end up with one trade across multiple accounts that just keeps going in your favor. And you just keep trailing your stop up and up and up. And
it just keeps going and going.
Yeah. It's happened a few times with me. And you take those like they're a gift. You don't expect them. You don't plan on them. You don't.
Yeah, so that 15-minute candle kind of got reversed there on yes. Almost back down to the low of that previous 15-minute candle here.
What is that noise?
Oh, I got this like callus on my thumb. I'm filing it.
Oh, okay. I can't see your hand. I just hear.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I didn't know that. I didn't think that
I'm just sitting here sanding a block of wood.
Yeah. Yeah, I got this callus like on the side of my thumb. And I'm just filing it down a bit here.
It's the space bar on your keyboard.
Yeah. You guys are funny, he says.
Occasionally.
Mostly Nick's funny. I'm not so funny.
Mostly
Nick's got all the good quotes and all the good funny stuff. So
mostly it's just
I'm learning
jokes.
from him.
Good Lord, don't learn shit from me. Trust me. Life will get hard for you.
Did I tell you the chicken joke?
You did.
Okay. Yeah, I forgot. That's a good one though. But maybe Terrence haven't heard that one before. So why is the chicken so funny? Because okay, maybe I'm the only one that really finds that one funny, but that's my dad joke of the day. I gotta.
So Dave, 3 nuns, a gorilla, 14 midgets, and a clown walk into a bar.
Okay.
The bartender looks up and says, "What is this, a joke?"
Obviously, that's the end of the joke. My voice news just disconnected from what's it called? Financial juice.
most boring stream ever today.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys.
Except for the chicken jokes.
And the accidental gold short at the
Oh
lows.
yeah, I forgot. Oof,
That was a rough one.
almost forgot about that. So, but lesson learned. Close all your trades out. Hit the flatten all button on everything.
Right?
It's like you're clearing a firearm. Do it 3 times. No accidental anything.
Might get one more chance to enter on another giveaway for Zach. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was a standout in his field. Or outstanding, sorry. Not standout. Outstanding. Outstanding in his field. That's a good one.
Dave, was that yours?
Was that mine? Yeah.
And I have to have a talk with your father.
No, he should be here, so
I'm just kidding.
he's here if you wanted to. He's right there.
Mr. Stewart, what did you do to this young man to make him this way?
Right? Yes, is sort of holding below previous day low there. What about the NQ? What's NQ doing? NQ is also flirting with the low. I feel like it's going to want to swipe the low here at some point. If it's going to go higher, it usually wants to like swipe the low before it goes higher, but I mean, there's no guarantee, obviously. Czar's going to call it a day. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for the stream today. Hey, you're welcome, Czar. Thanks for hanging out.
See you tomorrow.
What time do we got? 8:45. Let's stick around for at least another 15 minutes.
Yeah, I'm calling it at noon. If I don't have another trade in by noon, I'm done for the day.
Yeah, sounds good to me too. Sort of stuck in this range down here, so I'm not really seeing what we're going to do here.
You still just looking at ES?
Yeah.
I'm looking at longs on gold right now.
Yes, starting to print a new bearish 15-minute candle here at the moment. Let's see if they're going to take the previous day low or not. Swipe past previous day low. Is NQ going to sweep down to the lows also? Let's see.
And here's my gold long.
Turn on a little bit of music there. You took a gold long?
Gold long.
Nice.
It's 5 micros at 42.2350.
All right.
Am I going to regret this?
Is it bouncing right now?
It's fooling around with my entry price. I'm $2 up on it.
It looks like all three ES, NQ, YM are printing bearish candles at the moment, so they're selling off a bit.
As they're selling off, gold should go up.
That's the idea.
I'd like it to hit like 27. Hey, look at that. It's going in my favor. All right. I'm just going to move my stop loss to break even.
Yep, we're taking previous day low a little bit on ES. Still a little bit sideways, but
Order was rejected. Interesting.
okay, we're taking previous day low right now on
I
ES.
just took a 20. I just took a break even on that.
ES is sort of holding that previous day low right now. Are they going to push it here? Might do so. Pretty choppy down here. Not really making any progress either direction on the indices.
Yeah,
Still-
ES isn't.
Yeah,
ES isn't making a decision on a direction.
still below previous day low on ES, which is decent, but with NQ popping a little bit there, kind of holding ES up a bit.
Wasn't much of a pop though. Got up to the previous candle's high.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm just not convinced to be taking a trade at this point, right? It's just kind of like not really doing a whole lot for us at the moment.
No, if you're going to do anything, it would have to be a very quick scalp on this.
Yeah. Well, we are kind of pushing
For
a little
ES
bit
and
lower.
NQ anyway. Looks like ES is dropping a little bit, but
Yeah, I actually decided to try a short here on the ES. I'm going to be looking for only about 3 points here. Small little scalp just to see if we can push past one of these low candles here. Starting to get a little bit of momentum. Probably going to bring my stop down here pretty quick. We're almost at my TP. One more tick and I'm going to stop here. Come on. One more tick. All right, I'm dropping my stop slightly in the money. Let's see if we can't get this TP to hit here. A couple points lower. Worst case scenario, it's going to be a slightly break even, slight winner. Looking like we might get it though. Come on, let's go. Okay, it stops. Here we go. I'm out there. What was that? All right, let's see. What did I make there? Let's look over to this guy. That was count TD4001. So I think I made about $30 now on that trade also. So 2 trades in a row there, about $30 winners.
good job. You know what, Dave? I am calling it for the day. There's no volume. Price action is gone. So I am officially done.
Yeah, sounds good to me. Got another little scalp there at the end. You know, I'm actually liking this trading view a little bit better now. The only thing is I can't copy trade, but like I set up my order and then I put it to like if I'm short, right? When I was short, I had it to bid +1. So it kind of like it follows the price by +1. So as it's coming down to a certain level, then I can like kind of get my entry. It's kind of like the ask, right? Rather than direct.
So why do you think you can't copy trade doing that?
Just because I'm not using Trader's Post yet, right?
Okay, so are you trading a Trade-Evade account?
Yes.
Go to your Trade-Evade screen and set up your copies.
Yeah.
For whatever account it is. Lucid, is that what you're trading?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So set your copy trading on there. When you log into your trading view, log into the Lucid account, pick one account to trade, and then on your Trade-Evade account, it will copy them.
Oh, well,
If you want to copy trade across multiple prop firms, use the Trader's Post. But if you're only doing one account at a time, that's how you do it.
Gotcha. Okay.
So
So you just gotta
log in.
activate that in your because I already have a pair set up, which is my two funded accounts on Lucid.
Gotcha.
I set it
So
up. I named it pair. It's a group.
Yeah, just go to your account settings. It actually says account at the top of your screen. Click on that, and then set up your whichever ones you're copy trading. And you can also set them up to, if you have larger accounts, you can put more size on those ones. Or smaller accounts, you can put less size on them.
Oh, you can set that up through Trade Also.
Yes.
Nice. Okay.
I prefer to do that through Traders Post, but because in Traders Post you can have an automatic flatten for, you can be time based, it can be profit based, it can be loss based, or all three. To where it'll actually send a message to flatten every single one of your accounts based at, like, if it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it'll just flatten everything for you.
Interesting. That's pretty cool. All right, good to know that. Yeah, it's like I just figured, because I thought I would have had to select pair, like whatever I named that group on TradingView, but it never showed up in the drop down on TradingView.
It won't. It'll only show the account numbers. It will not show your copy trading setups.
Right. Okay, but it actually, okay, well, I'll definitely try that for the next day. Can you have multiple like groups? Like if I want to set up one for my funded accounts and then also a group for, okay.
You do the same thing, and then you
I see that,
just add another one, give it a different name, like funded, eval. You can do all 50Ks, 150Ks, and just put them in whatever grouping that you want. But make sure when you're trading those that you're actually selecting the correct one to trade on. I have made that mistake before, and it took me a half an hour to figure out what the hell I did wrong.
Gotcha. Oops. I was trying to add a new one there, but a pair.
Alrighty, Doc. I'm getting out of here.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
I will see you in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy your evening.
You too. Thanks. All right. Learned something new today. So I got my evals all grouped up, and I got my funded all grouped up. So, okay, cool. Sweet. That's good to know. Here, I thought I was like handcuffed a little bit on the copy trading. That's awesome. Takes a little bit more management, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna upload my trades here real quick so I can get those into my TradeZella here. Download CSV. So this one is my direct account. Lucid Direct. All right. Oops. Yeah, that's right. 727 Lucid Direct. 739. Yeah, that's good. All right. So I got to add trade 150K funded account. Okay. export these trades. $29.51. Is that what that is? $27.94. The one thing I don't really like about Tradeovate, when I upload my trades, it doesn't take into account the commissions that come off. So I'm not sure if that's how that can be fixed. But whenever I, upload the trade, like, because I'm, in profit on this account, so I upload my trades, and then it says, this account has 2,794 in profit. But then when I look at my TradeZella in the same account, this one says 2,951. So it says that there's more money in the account in TradeZella, but compared to what's on Tradeovate, which is the one that's accurate, is showing only 794. So it's like 100 and like 794, 894, $150 difference, which is, I don't know, it's a little weird. So I don't know if there's a way, maybe I have to go in and adjust something to account for the fees. So let's see, did I take? Yeah, I made $60 in this 50K. Yeah, I forgot about that one. So I got to upload this guy too. So let's export this trade. 50K September 13 account. 384, 449. Yeah. All right. So pretty decent day today. Not too bad. So 493 up, profitable today in the green. So that's pretty good. So 427 yesterday, 493 today. Pretty decent. Taking those lows finally, hey guys. Let's see here. Yes, I am all taking the lows right now. But yeah, thanks so much everybody for hanging out. We're gonna wrap up the stream here also. Get on with the rest of my day. We got thanks a lot for hanging out, Terrence. We had Czar, my dad. Who else was here? We had Darren earlier. Aldo was here. Yeah, so usually my streams during the day here are a lot less viewers, but that's all good. Like I was saying on Sunday, there's just so many other popular traders like, Patrick Whelan or all these other guys that are more established, right? So all the traders usually going over there to watch them trade. But we're a new channel. We're all learning here, so it's a slow grind, small size, so nothing too flashy to draw in. We're not smashing screens and getting wild after we make those winners, right? But nice calm stream. So anyways, guys, thanks so much. We'll be back live tomorrow morning for the market open. I'm gonna start trying to do some evening streams. I'm not really gonna schedule them, so keep an eye out. If you guys aren't subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can catch me when I do go live. I'm planning to try to get a few more evening streams going because it seems like that's when I'm getting a little better exposure to the traders that are out there. So yeah, so I'm thinking about doing that a little bit more often here. So, and Terrence said, "Thank you, David. I'll be back tomorrow, God willing. Have a great day. This is a fun to be with you and educational. Awesome. Hey, I'm glad that you get some sort of value from it for sure. And definitely, if you have any questions, throw them out there because love to answer them if we can. Also, if you guys are looking for accounts, I'm an affiliate with Lucid Trading and Top One Futures. So if you use my MBT Market Butcher Trades MBT code, you can get the best discount available. That's my shameless plug of the day. Don't really make much money from that, but every little bit helps. But yeah, thanks so much, everybody. Stay green, have a good day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning, or potentially, in the evening, one of these days. So talk to you guys later. Peace out. Have a good one.